Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 4 Serious side effects of consuming too much nutmeg. Nutmeg is a common spice used in baking, but it can also have some potential health risks if consumed in excess. 1. Allergic reaction. Nutmeg allergies, while rare, can cause skin or respiratory symptoms in some people. 2. Exposure to toxins. Nutmeg can potentially be contaminated with heavy metals, pesticides, and other carcinogenic compounds. 3. Medication interactions. Nutmeg may interfere with the absorption of certain medications like cholinergic drugs. 4. Intoxication. Consuming large amounts of nutmeg, even accidentally, can cause adverse effects like nausea, vomiting, and hallucinations. To use nutmeg safely, experts recommend using small amounts as a flavoring, not consuming it in large quantities. Storing it properly in an airtight container to prevent contamination. Checking with a healthcare provider if taking certain medications. Avoiding using nutmeg for recreational drug purposes. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak